Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I thought to unbox this gaming mouse pad from Logitech. So as you have may noticed, I bought a new desk. And my previous desk got always damaged because I do a lot of things on those. So I thought maybe a mouse pad will help preventing those scratches. So while I was shopping, I had the choice between several brands, I should say. This is the Logitech. So there were also mouse pads from SteelSeries, which looked also very good. But hey, Logitech never let me down. I have a mouse and a keyboard from Logitech and they work perfectly. So I thought, why not just go for Logitech? That feels good. So actually, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. As you see, it's not an Apple product, so we need to grab our knife for this. So let's cut right here. So eventually it's not a very pleasant unbox experience, but I managed to open this plastic in here. So the mouse pad is actually inside this box. I thought that this part is also the mouse pad, but I had to grab it from here. And just like that, we have our mouse pad. Furthermore, there's nothing in this tube. So let's put this one aside. And let's take a look to this mouse pad. Well, obviously the very first thing that pops up is this blue color on the back. I didn't notice that on the pictures, but hey, that doesn't matter because I will use this one on its back. Well, we have some paperwork, but hey, who read those? Let's go ahead and put this one aside as well. And yeah, I should say I'm very pleased with this one. As you can see, I hope you can see it through camera. It has very thick fiber, and the back of this mouse pad is also like sticky so that it doesn't move on your desk once you have it on your desk. So let's go ahead and see how it looks with the keyboard on it. And there we go. The mouse pad is on my desk. As I said, it's very sticky to the desk. It's not moving around. That's a plus, if you would ask me. It has a nice subtle logo on the side that's not very noticeable, but it's still there. Our mouse moves very smoothly, and it's a very good fit for this desk. So now when I drop things on this desk, I'm not scratching the desk, which will be a bummer. It's a very new desk, so I try to be very careful with it. And the mouse pad hopefully will do that job for me. So the very last thing I want to try is how water resistant is this mouse pad. So let's go ahead and try it out. So I have a glass of water, and I'm not condoning doing such things because you may have all the electronics on your desk. So be careful when you try it out at home. And I should say it's quite water resistant. It's like soak in water and eventually dry up. So as far as I'm concerned, this mouse pad is definitely a win. So this one here in Europe will cost you around 50 euros. I went ahead and looked at Amazon and it's about the same. It's about $45 it's about $45 in the US. So yeah, it's quite a bit expensive if you would ask me. It's just a mouse pad. Why spending that much money on this mouse pad? Well, then again, if you just look at the bigger picture, which is to protect this desk, then you might want to spend that much money on it. If you just think about it, just the iPhone I'm filming with, I have a case around it. And that case, if you go to Apple, will cost you around $50-$60 a case. So yeah, it might be a bit pricey, but eventually it will prevent scratches and all of that happening on this desk. And that's actually it. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions about it, yeah, as always, leave them in the comment section below and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.